Okay, Monday, August 8th, just showing you I am scaling out of some of the Tesla position here to set up a no-risk trade. Bought it at 23, the 900 puts. Just got out at 26 as it's breaking down now. This is Tesla breaking down. This is kind of what I was hoping to see. The 15-minute chart, bought the puts here at the blue line, pause, as we're moving down, and then we're continuing lower here. So if we look at the 15-minute chart, again, we're right near the midpoint of that first bar. This could be make or break kind of area here for Tesla. So if we can continue lower, then we could be taking out the lows of this bar and again reversing all of these gains here, kind of failing to take out the highs of that day and then moving back down to the lows. But that's, a long way to go. We got to break the midpoint of this bar here. Then we got to take out the intraday lows, and we got to take out the overnight kind of lows here. There's an area. So there's a lot of room to go. And then at that point, we can target those yesterday's lows. But I'm not convinced that that's going to necessarily happen. It's just that everything was setting up for a little bit of a breakdown here, given the weakness in the market overall. But I still think the trend's up. I really thought this buy here should have followed through higher. It didn't, and that's why I took this trade. So it's a no-risk trade now to see if we can just kind of, I'm going to say at this point, since we're kind of near the midpoint of that first bar, take out the lows of the day. And at that point, you can start really taking profits or just watching momentum at that point if it really just kicks in. But I'm not even convinced it's going to do that, but I'm in no risk, situation here just to kind of monitor it and see if there is kind of a whole failure here to the upside and then a reversal to the downside today. Looks like the market in general wants to do that. I talked about that on a SPY recap video, how I think there was an opportunity for the market as a whole to be pulling back before it heads higher first. So if that's going to happen, then stocks like Tesla should definitely pull back as well. So we'll just see what happens. Again, this opening failure here was a big reason for giving it a shot to see if the whole day, ends up failing. But we'll find out as the day goes on.